Yesterday I saw a post on Reddit about some new Photoshop features, so I installed the beta, thought I would give it a try. When we launched our new site with our photos, Mr. Watkins thought we should have smiles, and I've been sort of dragging my feet on getting some new shots of us with everybody smiling with big teeth and everything, and so I thought, well, let me see if the new AI can do that. So let's check it out. I'm just gonna grab this kind of area. I've already done a couple. I thought it would be interesting for you all to see how it works. So you grab the area and you give it a prompt. Let's say I'm just gonna put smile with teeth. And it does its magical AI stuff. And there we are. Okay. It also makes some variations here. So yeah, maybe it needs a little bit more work. Let me show you some of the other attempts I made. So I know that a part of this could be my prompts and that there's probably a better way to do it than what I'm doing. However, let's take a look at what I've done. This is one I asked for smile with teeth, and I got a little bit of teeth there. Here's one where I don't even remember what my prompt was, but it certainly wasn't a big white smiley face. There's one I didn't get teeth. It's not bad. I don't think it looks exactly real, but it's not the worst one. Here's an attempt where I thought maybe if I grab the whole head, it'll give it some additional context or something to make a natural smile. But instead it, you know, remade my face. And here's my very first attempt, which now, after looking at the list, may be one of the better attempts somehow, remarkably. In fact, I wonder if I could just, shrink this even, and I don't know what I'm doing here. Maybe if I knew what I was doing, that would help. Yeah, so maybe it's not quite ready for use. Oh well, we'll keep trying.